Are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 good? According to a Samsung press release, the Galaxy Buds 2 are the company's latest true wireless earbuds. Compared to the original Samsung Galaxy Buds, the Buds 2 offer a number of improvements, from sound quality to fit to active noise cancellation. You will find that Android and specifically Samsung smartphones offer more features than any other kind of device, but they are also capable of working with iOS. Despite the quality noise cancellation, the frequency range only really starts at around 80 Hz, so you won't hear, or feel, the thumping bass. All of these are not significant problems, but they do make the Galaxy Buds 2 less robust in terms of audio and noise cancellation than the Sony WF-1000XM4 and Beats Studio Buds we've seen this year. Samsung announced the Galaxy Buds 2 at their online Unpacked 2021 event alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and they are now available for purchase for $149.99. As well as costing the same as the original Samsung Galaxy Buds when they were introduced in 2019, unless you live in Australia, they match perfectly with Apple's Beats Studio Buds, which have many of the same features. Furthermore, these aren't the only earbuds Samsung has created over the years, and their predecessors, Samsung Galaxy Buds, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and Galaxy Buds Plus, can be confusing when it comes to shopping for true wireless earbuds, especially since they only differ in price by a few dollars. In terms of design, the Galaxy Buds 2 stands out from its siblings. In comparison to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 are most closely related to Pebbles. They're small, round, and extremely smooth. If you open the case, you will find the buds in one of 4 colors: lavender, olive, white, or graphite. Samsung claims that the Galaxy Buds 2 are 15% smaller and 20% lighter than the Galaxy Buds Plus, making them more comfortable for prolonged use. The downside is that they are a bit harder to handle and could fall out of their case and your ears more easily. In terms of their design, the Galaxy Buds 2 are only IPX2 water resistant, which means that they are only suitable for workouts that are not very sweaty. Galaxy Buds can be controlled using their built-in touch controls or your smartphone. 2 extra silicone ear tips are included in the box, as well as a USB-C charging cable. These tips are not particularly comfortable, but they offer a decent seal that you can test using the Galaxy Wearable app on Android. They are also inexpensive to replace if they are lost or damaged. As with the Galaxy Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds 2 have a dual driver design using a single mid-range driver and a tweeter for the upper frequencies. There are 3 microphones in and around the earbuds, which perform noise cancellation and improve call quality. You can turn on noise cancellation by pressing the touchpad on either earbud. The Galaxy Wearable app allows you to change the function to other things, such as summoning your virtual assistant, but we recommend keeping at least one of the controls set for noise cancellation. If you press the noise cancellation button again, you will enter the ambient mode, which pipes outside audio into your buds. However, you'll also find options to adjust the EQ, as well as the ability to see how much juice remains in your case and earbuds through the Galaxy Wearable app. The earbud fit test option is also located in the app, though you will need to sign in to use it. Galaxy Buds 2 are no exception, as Samsung and AKG continue to push the Galaxy Buds closer and closer to that sonic sweet spot. They have a wonderful sound curve that enhances the bass, mids, and highs, but emits the sub-bass, below 80 Hz, and the higher-most registers, above 11,000 Hz, which can sound harsh at higher volumes. The stereo separation allows you to hear enhanced sweeping effects in songs like Baba or Ali by The Who, and although the soundstage isn't massive, it's wider than the Galaxy Buds from the first generation. With active noise cancelling turned on, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 will last you about 5 hours, and a little longer if you turn it off. The case will hold more than 3 additional charges, for a total of 20 hours with ANC on, and 29 hours with it turned off. It is also new for this generation to support wireless charging with a Qi charger. Though that is a nice perk if you have a wireless charging capable phone and you already have a charging pad, it is not a deal breaker if you need to use the regular USB-C port.